Hi all! It's easy to notice that more and more people switch to two-wheeled vehicles that are cheap, convenient, and environmentally friendly. Besides, with the advent of special gadgets, a bike ride becomes safer and extremely enjoyable. In this issue, we'll check out 6 gadgets that will make bike rides easier. Wing lights. While turning on the road, the cyclist is supposed to indicate it by hand movement in the corresponding direction. In general, this procedure is very convenient and clear for the drivers, but it does not work well in the twilight and especially at night, because the cyclist is basically not visible. The English startup Cycle introduced magnetic LED indicators that help the cyclist show the direction of the turn in the darkness, but not only that. Each turn signal is equipped with a plug and waterproof module. Heavy-duty magnets on both parts firmly grasp and hold the turn signals, but at the same time, they are easy to remove manually. To activate the turn signal, you need to press the rubber button on the end of the module. After that, they will blink for 45 seconds and then turn off. If you need to turn off the flashing earlier, then you need to click on the button again. The product is made of aluminum. It is water and shockproof. Trail Racer. A small company, Lauf, from Reykjavik, Iceland, has developed a revolutionary front fork of Trail Racer for mountain bikes. The fork combines the soft stroke of the shock absorbers and the low weight of the rigid forks. The plug is made of carbon fiber and weighs only 2.2 pounds. The amplitude of the stroke in the 2.4-inch fork is provided by 12 cushioning plates made of a flexible but very strong composite. Their design resembles automobile leaf springs. The absence of moving and lubricated elements of the design guarantees a long service life without additional maintenance. When tested in the laboratory, the fork withstood 140,000 cycles of folding-unfolding without any visible signs of deterioration, which is equivalent to 5 years of normal use by an average cyclist. Effigear Gearbox is a bicycle with a gearbox. These bikes use a toothed belt instead of a chain, and a special gearbox is used for changing the speeds. Accordingly, there is no system and there is no cassette. Of course, there is no tail sticking down out of the rear wheel area, which is necessary for switching and for pulling the chain. Regarding the gearbox, it has got 3 shafts. The first one only takes the torque from the pedals and transfers it to the second shaft. The second and third shafts are the basic ones containing the gears, which are constantly engaging with each other. The second shaft is responsible for all switching. Inside this shaft, there is a movable clutch that moves and makes either of its gears engage with the spindles of the secondary shaft. Accordingly, the torque is simultaneously transmitted only through one of the gears of the second shaft. Biseku is a smart bicycle anti-theft Bluetooth lock. The gadget was developed by the engineers of the startup of the same name in Korea. Locks that communicate with the user's smartphone via Bluetooth don't make innovation, but the creators of Biseku still managed to improve this invention. Unlike most similar devices, this one is put on the wheel only once, and it does not require removing. It connects to the user via a wireless Bluetooth channel with the corresponding application output for the smartphone. The lock turns on as the cyclist moves away from the parked bicycle, with the front wheel being locked rigidly. If necessary, you can enable the lock manually through the application. If someone tries to steal a bike, the motion sensor will spot it and send a signal to the speaker capable of producing a sound with a loudness of 100 decibels. In addition, the lock will notify the user of an attempted theft through the application. Softwheel is a newly invented wheel. The new wheel aims to develop a wheel with an integrated suspension. The idea helps to save up to 30% of the energy spent by a person when riding a bicycle precisely thanks to the suspension. The project uses a symmetrical technology with a selective system in which the cylinders minimize the force when the wheel hits. It is a wheel consisting of 3 spokes connecting the hub with a spring rim. The spokes are arranged in such a way that they can become shorter or longer simultaneously, changing the geometry of the wheel, neutralizing the impact of the obstacle on the passenger, and making the stroke of the vehicle smoother. The idea is perfect for off-road because when riding through curbs, stones, humps, or stairs, a person will neither feel discomfort nor apply extra effort. Go by Levy. This gadget is a set of two devices working in tandem. The main purpose of this device is to simplify the controls of a bicycle or a motorcycle while increasing traffic safety. The gadget includes a compact display that is attached to the steering wheel and a helmet with a built-in Bluetooth headset. The display has got a bright indicator that displays various signs which can be seen in any weather. It also controls the entire system. As for the Bluetooth headset located in the helmet, the system gives the user important information about the situation on the road, reproduces a clear loud sound, and has a noise reduction function, making it audible even at high speed. In addition, the device allows you to monitor the speed with the help of a special mobile application. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.